First, let's demonstrate it in a completely darkened area. All right, pitch black, turn the light on. As you guys can see now, like, the difference is just mind-blowing when you really think about it. So you got light and dim, so that is lower. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your best favorite person, Scott. So guys, we got a car multi-function work light. Obviously, you guys can use this for more than just a vehicle, but a lot of people use this as an emergency light. So if something happens, they keep this in their vehicle. Obviously, you can use it as multi-work light, car light, household light. Comes with carrying hook built in that folds right down. You got a strong, powerful magnet. As you guys can see, stick it right on. Oh, that's actually not a good example because that's plastic. It must have stuck on the screw on there. Wow, so even just a little screw it sticks on. So let's go ahead and show you guys the brightness of it and show you guys the different settings. You have a flashlight at the top, you got a light right here, you got a USB port right here, you got the charging port here, so you can charge your phone with this flashlight as well. You just need to have a USB to Type-C or to the, whatever charging port that you need. So let's actually go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys. So Type-C goes in our cell phone or whatever charging cable you have. USB end goes here. It lights up green and our phone is charging. So let me be quiet so you guys can hear. My phone makes a sound when it's charging. So it's charging our cell phone. So you can charge your device simply by doing that. And again, this is charged with a USB cable that is plenty of length. Power buttons are right here, and you have multiple different modes. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this light for you. First, let's demonstrate it in a completely darkened area. All right, pitch black, turn the light on. As you guys can see now, like, the difference is just mind-blowing when you really think about it. So you got light and dim, so that is lower. You have the top flashlight, so that acts as, your direct flashlight. You also have dim for that mode. And then you got red flashing for emergency and off. You guys ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Let there be light. That is super bright, my friends. Overall, guys, absolutely love this. It's going to come in handy when we're working on our vehicle, working in our workstation. Overall, very nice grip. Good survival item as well, too. So if you guys have a bug out bag or survival, definitely good for that as well.